A recording released by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration appears to include audio of the implosion of the experimental submersible that went missing on its way to the wreck of the Titanic. Coast Guard officials say a passive acoustic recorder located about 900 miles away from the implosion site picked up the sound. The Coast Guard said in a statement that the audio clip records the suspected acoustic signature of the Titan submersible implosion on June 18, 2023, the day the submersible went missing. The implosion of the Titan killed all 5 on board. The Coast Guard is expected to release more information about the implosion in the future.